Hi everyone and welcome again to Web Wonks walkthrough videos. So in this lesson, we'll talk about Google Ads certifications, what they are, why they matter, and how you can get started. Step 1, go to Google Skillshop. Just type in Google Skillshop. That will give you this result and then just click on that. That will take you to their main page and choose the Google Ads. Just click on that and it will take you to the different certifications. We have about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. So we have about 12 certification. So each of that certification focuses on different part of Google Ads. Now you can choose the certification that matches your goals. So each has lessons and visuals so that you will get more insights and tips, and you don't have to rush. You can read 1 or 2 lessons at your own pace. So for this video, let's say you want to improve your video campaigns. Then let's choose Google Ads Video Certification. There's plenty of lessons to read and give you more insights and tips. And once you have completed all the lessons, you can now try to take the certification test. That's up here. So it's a multiple choice. If you pass, you'll get a digital certification valid for 1 year. So once you have passed, you will receive a copy of your certificate, something similar to this one I have with Google Ads Search certification. And you can share them on social media or your website or even with your client because it's a great way to showcase your expertise. That's it. Have a look at the Google Ads certifications, choose the type of campaign you want to learn and improve. Thanks for watching. See you in the next WebWonks video.